Genesis chapter 27. The air in Isaac's tent was heavy with age and fading sight. His hair was white, his eyes clouded. He knew his time on earth was short. Calling for his firstborn Esau, the man of the hunt, Isaac's voice trembled with both authority and urgency. "My son, take your bow and quiver. Hunt for me the game I love. Prepare it the way I enjoy, and then I will bless you before I die." Esau's heart quickened. This was no ordinary blessing. In their world, a father's blessing was destiny itself, shaping the course of a man's future. He hurried away into the wilderness, bow in hand. But in the shadows, Rebekah, Isaac's wife, had been listening. She remembered the prophecy spoken before their sons were born, that the older would serve the younger, and her heart burned with urgency. Quickly she found Jacob, the quiet one, the dweller of tents. "Listen, my son, do exactly as I say. Bring me 2 choice young goats. I will prepare them just as your father likes. You will take it to him and receive the blessing in Esau's place." Jacob hesitated, his mind torn. "But mother, my brother is hairy and I am smooth-skinned. If father touches me, he will know I am deceiving him, and I will be cursed, not blessed." Rebekah's voice was firm, almost fierce. "Let the curse fall on me, my son. Only do as I say." And so the plan unfolded. Jacob wore Esau's clothes, their scent still filled with the wild fields. Goat skins were wrapped around his hands and neck to mimic his brother's coarse hair. The savory meal was placed in his hands. Inside the tent, Isaac's falling eyes narrowed with suspicion. "Who are you, my son?" Jacob's voice was steady, but it carried the weight of a lie. "I am Esau, your firstborn. I have done as you asked." Isaac leaned forward. "Come near, that I may feel you." His trembling hands brushed the goat skin. The voice is Jacob's voice, but the hands are Esau's hands. Still unsure, Isaac ate the meal, drank the wine, and then he blessed Jacob, pouring over him words of abundance, dominion, and inheritance. No sooner had Jacob left than Esau entered, carrying his own meal, his voice joyful. "Father, rise and eat, that you may bless me." The truth crashed down like thunder. Isaac shook violently. "Your brother came deceitfully and took all your blessings." Esau's cry was raw, piercing the camp. "Bless me too, father. Have you only one blessing?" But the well of Isaac's words had been poured out. Esau was left with the blessing of hardship, distance, and servitude. Hatred flamed in Esau's heart. "When father dies, I will kill Jacob." Rebekah heard and acted quickly. Jacob fled to her brother Laban's household, beginning a long journey of exile, the price of a stolen blessing. And so, in one day, deception had shattered trust, torn a family apart, and set into motion a story that would ripple through generations.